The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name's Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to talk about expert witness testimony in Illinois child custody cases. An expert witness is a person who, because of education, training, or experience, possesses knowledge of a specialized nature beyond that of the average person on a factual matter related to the pending litigation. So in the context of a child custody case, this is usually a mental health expert like a social worker, psychologist, or psychiatrist. And it's not limited to that, but it's anybody who has a specialized knowledge about something that would play into the best interest of the child. We have an article and video about mental health evaluations at learn-about-law.com, but to summarize, either party or the court can request a mental health evaluation if it is going to be in the best interest, or if it's likely to demonstrate what will be in the best interest of the child. And this might be testing of either parent or of the child by one of these mental health experts, and a report might be generated, and depending on the nature of the report, the mental health expert might be asked to testify at trial. If an expert witness testifies at trial, the expert witness will take the stand and relate what he or she has learned through his or her investigation, and usually their testimony will be based mostly on a report that they prepared ahead of time. They'll be examined directly by the person who hired them, the party who hired them if they weren't hired by the court, and they can be cross-examined by the other party. It's important to understand that although expert witness testimony is weighed heavily by the court, it is only one piece of evidence that's weighed along with all of the other evidence in the case in order to determine what's in the best interest of the child and what living situation will best serve the child. So let's talk about how to make the decision of whether it makes sense to hire an expert witness in your particular case. If the parties cannot come to an agreement on the parenting arrangement that will be in the best interest of the child, and you think that the testimony of an expert may support your position, then it may be a very good idea to hire an expert witness, because if you have an expert witness and the other side doesn't, that will weigh very heavily in your favor in the sight of the judge. So a lot of times this will be an expert relating to the mental health of either party or the child, like we talked about earlier. But it can really be an expert in any sort of situation, and anyone with specialized knowledge. So if you have a particular reason that you think your child should be with spending more time with you or less time with the other parent, and you can think of an expert who might be able to testify to back that up, then it might be a good idea to hire an expert witness. However, expert witnesses are not cheap. They are expensive, and you're probably already paying attorney's fees that are adding to your costs. So it's important to talk to your attorney to weigh the cost-benefit analysis of hiring an expert witness. You want to make sure that the benefit of their testimony is going to be important enough to your case to validate the cost that you're going to be paying. And your attorney will have enough experience should have enough experience to know what types of cases require or would be advantageous to have an expert witness. So let's talk about who pays for the expert witness. If the court hires an expert witness, the court has discretion to allocate the fees for the witness among the parties however it sees fit. This is usually based on the finances of the parties and who has the ability to pay. If one of the parties hires an expert witness, then that party generally will pay the fees of the expert witness. But just as with attorney's fees, either party can petition the court to allocate their fees associated with the litigation to the other party, again, based on finances and each party's ability to pay. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. The 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to us on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, or SoundCloud, or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.